Guys, how's it going? Sorry about the crudeness of this small little review. I've been busy and had my bathroom explode, so I had to shuffle a lot of things around to get them to fix that. Anyway, do a small review on the Blink video doorbell. I figured I would try this out and see how well it worked. It's actually not bad. Quick show you what it looks like on the inside of the box. Sorry, I already unboxed it because I've been playing around with it. But, you would get this here, and then you would get this doodad that would be on top for you to read. It also comes with a pattern, as you can see where the screw holes go, and a key to unlock it from the base. Your batteries will be in this little box here, and all your extras will be on the very bottom. That's about it. You got a QR code on the box to get your software. You will load it onto your phone. It'll ask you for your router, and you network to your router, and then it will sync with the Blink, and that's it. I have it set up on this phone for now, and let's see here. Comes up as Blink, and basically text whatever. You can go into settings. Not much to look at there. Clips. Got it. Now, not too sure where it is, but you can disarm or arm it. When you arm it, you have two settings where you can set it up where if someone pushes the button, it automatically takes a picture or a video of the person, or you can set it up if somebody even walks in front of it. It will make a video. Pretty clear one at that. This is where your batteries go. 2 AA's included. We'll lock that up in there. Those 2 bolts that are on top of this door here. That's if you want to use it. You can do it with batteries, or you can do it wired. Wired will be AC. You can easily turn a DC adapter into an AC by cracking it open and bypassing the rectifiers inside. If you know a little bit about electronics, easier than buying one. You could wire this up to anything from 16 volts AC to 24. And I prefer to wire it up directly. It does come with connectors that you could use, but I would just do the wiring right directly to the box. What else does it come with? It comes with this bracket here. I ended up 3D printing an actual bracket, which I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in something like that. Because if you use it outdoors, someone's going to rip it off, or at least attempt to. It makes it easier because this bracket here is probably the only thing I'm not happy with. It's nice that it's got a rubber backing and everything, but for outdoor use, it's kind of dumb. It's got this latch here that is pretty much all it holds is that latch, and that's it. I mean, you could just easily rip it off by just using a tool, just anything sharp and going like that, walking off with it. The QR code is right on there to get the software. You're good to go. That's the only thing I don't like about it. So yeah, this pattern here does come with a tool for removing it, but with this 3D printed part here, I would screw it right to the door frame or the door, and then once I get it in, put the other screw in. You're probably going to do it wired, obviously, or you're going to keep taking the screw out. But other than that, that's it. It's got a reset switch on the back. The picture quality is actually pretty good. I'm going to show you a video that doesn't have one with my old lady in it. Let's see here. Other. Yeah, when it's in the armed mode, it will do like pictures. I didn't know this, so I let it sit on the floor a couple of days, and it was taking pictures of the video on my TV, which was actually kind of funny. There's another one there. It crops the videos or the pictures together. But it actually does do long videos as well. Pretty clear considering it runs off a battery. So yeah, its software is straightforward. It's easy to use. It doesn't crash or anything like that. I haven't found anything yet online where I could actually run software on a computer, which would have been nice for a bigger picture, but it does what it's as advertised, so it's definitely worth it. And now that I've done this video, I can go hang it up. Later, guys.